We're going to start with some balance exercises. And we're going to start nice and simple, make sure it's in a safe environment, nothing that you can fall onto, hurt yourself. If you do need to do this with a wall to just gently lean against, just to sort of hold it for a moment, that's fine. So first of all, we're going to bend the right leg and then bring it up to hip height. Now you're going to try and hold this posture for about 30 seconds. Can bring the arms out if you need it for balance, even as an added challenge. Maybe raise your arms up. And you're just going to try and really focus on engaging your muscles, keeping the head level, find a point to focus on, either just ahead of you on the floor, maybe on the wall ahead. Not up high though, want to keep the neck nice and long. And then you're going to relax back down and straight away switch to the other side. Now you may find one side easier than the other. Really trying to draw attention to the stillness, taking deep breaths, breathing right down here. Now if you find this very easy, you can do an added challenge using either a ball or a book or a block, anything that you can get your hands on. So you came back to the same posture, and this time you're going to try and pass the block, the ball, whichever it is, underneath your knee, around your body, picking whichever way you want to. Just anything that keeps your arms moving. Do try and keep your focus on one point. Don't watch what you're doing because it will just make it too hard. And again for about 30 seconds. Pass it around, whichever way. And then you're going to relax back to the other side and repeat. Try to keep the legs still if you can. Again, you might start to feel a little fatigued. Try and just bring stillness if you need to hold for a moment, just to bring that balance back. Maybe mix up the speeds, maybe go a little slower. Whichever you find more challenging. And relax. So this is a slightly more challenging balance exercise to do. You want to start by bringing your feet together, nice tall posture, shoulders back, engage through the abdominals, and slowly lift up onto your tiptoes. You want to go up on as high as you can with your tiptoes. Slightly adjust your feet if anything's uncomfortable, if your big toe joint's rubbing in the middle. So you can just stand in this posture for about 20 seconds. Maybe bring the arms out to the sides to help with balance. Arms up in front of you for an added challenge. Or just stay in this nice, strong, tall pose. Try not to let the legs sink outwards, ankles up, roll outwards. Find a point in front of you to focus on. Not too low because you want to keep the chest up. Now, if this feels like it's not enough of a challenge, what you can do is add into it. So again, nice tall posture, come up onto the tiptoes. Don't let the ankles roll out. Once you feel you're grounded and you're in quite a steady posture, you want to bring the arms up above you and you're going to slowly sink down, bending the knees, controlling the movement. Really trying to stay right up onto your tiptoes, keep the weight even. Now if it's too uncomfortable with your arms above, you can bring the arms out in front, ahead of you, or down by your sides. And again, you want to try and hold this posture for 20 or 30 seconds, trying not to let the ankles roll out. And then again, stand nice and tall, and back out of the posture. So this is a nice flow that I like to do. It's something that I've done in many yoga classes and body balance classes. It's quite challenging So choose somewhere with a hard surface, safe environment though, nothing to fall onto. So stand on your right leg first, bring your left knee up towards hip height and just ground yourself in this position for about 5 seconds. Now I want you to bring the knees back together, grab the inside of your left foot, and at the same time as tilting forwards from the hips, you're going to push your left foot into the hand and bring it behind you. And hold this position for about 10 to 15 seconds. Breathing deeply as you do. Now, as you begin to straighten up the torso, you're going to swing the knee to the side in a controlled manner as you let go of the foot and straighten the arm and the leg. You're going to tilt to the side slightly. You're going to try and hold this posture for 10 to 15 seconds. If you need to make little adjustments, you can. And then come back up to standing position. Now from this posture, tilt from the hips again, kicking the leg backwards, with the arms out straight in front of you, making almost a T shape with your body. And come back out of the posture in a controlled way. Now try and switch legs. I'll go side on more so you can see from a different angle. So, bend the leg, bring it up to hip height. Ground for about 5 seconds. Nice deep breaths. Bring the knees back together. Grab the inside of the right foot. And at the same time as leaning forwards, tilting from the hips, you're kicking your right foot into your right hand to bring up the leg behind you. Find a marker a few feet in front of you and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Deep breathing as you do. Now, as you straighten back up out of the pose, you're going to slightly tilt to the side, and as you let go of your hand, your foot in a controlled manner, straighten the leg and the foot and tilt to the side slightly. Really trying to engage through that standing leg and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Adjusting as you go if you need to. And come back up to a standing position in a controlled manner. Try not to let the foot go back down. Now from this position, you're going to tilt from the hips, bringing the legs straight behind you as your arms sink in front of you. You're trying to make a T position with your body. Again, find a focus point a few feet in front of you and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Taking nice, deep, controlled breaths as you do. And come back out in a controlled manner.